In this video, I'll show you how to use one of my favorite social media management tools that's powered by AI. It's called SocialBu. After you sign up for a free 14-day trial, you can connect your accounts across all the major social media platforms. You can then create a post and you can publish that post to all of your accounts at once. On the sidebar, you'll be able to see what your post will look like on every social media platform. In this case, I'll only publish the post to LinkedIn. I can post it now or I can schedule it for later. I can also use SocialBu to curate content for me. So for the topic, I selected artificial intelligence. I asked it to find content in the last 7 days. Here's what it found. I can use any of this content to create a new post. SocialBu will also write posts for me using AI. So I gave it a topic of top 10 AI tools for job seekers. Here's a post it came up with. It even found 10 popular tools. I can edit this post and I can publish it now or schedule it for later. SocialBu also allows me to monitor actions on social media and respond to them. So in this case, I created a notification anytime I'm mentioned on Twitter to let me know. SocialBu can also create automations. So I created a new automation when someone follows me on Twitter to send them this DM. What's great about SocialBu is that it allows you to manage up to 12 accounts for only $16 per month. And to try it, it's free for 14 days.